Proctor and I'm a first year physio student at Charles Sturt University. How are you today?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So you've come here today because you're experiencing right wrist and forearm pain?
Yeah, I think it happened about a week ago.
Okay.
I was playing squash and it's just been really painful ever since, and I type because I work in a law firm, so
Okay.
yeah, it's just been painful just all the time. I don't really know.
Yeah, and that prolonged use of your right wrist and forearm really hurts?
Yeah, especially because I work on it all day.
Yeah.
Like the typing, it just hurts too much.
Okay, and when you're typing, could you describe your pain out of 10 for me?
So when I'm actually using it, it's about a 5 or 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when it's just when I'm just having it
That's
here now,
it, yeah.
it's about a 2 or 3.
Alright, and how is your wrist today? How's it feeling today?
It's feeling a bit better today because I haven't been at work.
Okay. Alright, so as physios, we conduct a series of physical tests which help us to determine a diagnosis, help us determine the mechanisms of an injury, and provide us with a baseline for recovery. So today, I want to do a passive range of motion test on you.
Yep.
So a range of motion test just tests the mobility of your joint, and the passive part means that I'll be moving it for you, so you don't have to do anything, and I'll move it for you. And you'll tell me when it gets too much or the pain's too much, and we'll stop. Therefore, we won't undergo the risk of hurting your wrist. So we'll measure it with a goniometer, which is just like a protractor, the ones you used at school. And so I'll move your joint, and this will just measure the angle you've created. So the benefits of this test, as I said before, we can determine a diagnosis. We can test the mobility of your joint, and it'll provide us with a baseline for improvement. So if you come back and we redo this test after we've given you exercises or a treatment plan, then it may improve, and we can have evidence of the improvement, basically. And the risks are, as I mentioned, further injuring the injury and causing you pain. But because you're going to tell me when it hurts too much, we will eliminate that risk.
Yep.
So do you understand everything?
Yep, makes sense.
Do I have your consent to continue?
Yeah.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Alright, so you're okay if I continue?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so I'll just do my hand hygiene and check the bed breaks.
Yeah.
So today, I'll get you just to stand up for me, and we'll test your left wrist first because it's the uninjured wrist. So if you just sit there for me, and place your wrist like this up on the bed. Yep. And the movement you're going to be doing is like this. Yep. And so I'll move it for you.
Yep.
Okay. Alright. So you tell me if it gets too much.
Yep.
But this is your uninjured wrist. How's that feeling? Fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, yep, you have great range of motion. And we'll go again. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so your mobility of your left wrist is fine. And I'll get you to come sit over here. And I'll test your right wrist. Now you tell me if you experience any pain or anything, and we'll stop.
Yeah, it's starting to hurt about now.
Alright, so that's about 30 degrees of wrist flexion. And we'll go, is it okay if we go again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right there?
Yeah.
Alright, so you've got about 30 degrees of what we call wrist flexion.
Yeah.
And so that's obviously a very it's a lot different to your other non-sore wrist, and we'll see if we can do something about that. Was that horrible?
No, that's good. That was really good.